find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel the tension leaving your body with each breath out. Now, gently place your hand on your heart. Notice its gentle rhythm, connecting you to the present moment. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with calm. Place your hands back by your side or wherever they are comfortable. Visualize a peaceful scene, maybe a quiet forest. With every breath, imagine yourself more deeply in this tranquil place. Exhale slowly, releasing any stress or worry. Let the sounds and sensations wash over you. There's no rush here. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back with your breath. Just you, your breath, and this moment of peace. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Remember, a deep breath is always within reach. It costs you nothing. No money, no effort, only positive energy for your body. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, bringing in calm and peace. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Imagine a warm light surrounding you, filling you with tranquility. With each breath, this light grows brighter, more soothing. Let it wash over you, bringing a sense of deep relaxation. Feel the connection between your breath and your body. Notice how each breath brings you deeper into a state of calm. Allow yourself to fully relax, letting go of any remaining tension. Visualize yourself in a place of peace, where you feel completely at ease. This time, a serene beach. With each breath, imagine yourself more deeply in this peaceful place. Let the sounds and sensations of this place wash over you. Again, let any distracting thoughts in, and then let them leave. Don't fight outside noises. Just let them in and then out. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Your breath is always within reach. Let's continue to deepen our meditation practice. Take a deep breath in, drinking in the air. Feel the air filling your lungs, bringing in calm and peace. Focus on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Use your breath as an opportunity to observe thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations without reacting impulsively. Feel the connection between your breath and your body. Allow your breath to be a space for self-reflection and exploration of triggers and challenges in life. With each breath, feel your belly expand and your chest fall. Let the sounds and sensations of this place wash over you. Foster self-compassion and openness to accept yourself and your journey. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. This cultivates present moment awareness and helps in managing cravings and triggers. Remember, a deep breath is always available to you. Focus on connecting with the earth beneath you and establishing a sense of stability and presence. Let's go just a bit deeper. With your eyes still closed, turn your focus to the space between your eyes. Feel the connection between your breath and your body. Take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this calm with you. You carry a powerful tool within you. Your breath gives you life. Until next time, stay serene.